Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to slide on a trombone. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, what is sliding on the trombone? It's actually a very simple method that can really be effective at playing awesome sounding notes. Essentially, when you play a note on a trombone, okay, generally as a rule of thumb, when you play a note on a trombone, you're going to be in one position. So I might be in position number 1, no pun intended, or position number 3, or position number 6, whatever the case is, I'm going to play that note. But since it is fluid, since the slider is fluid and the notes that you can play are fluid, you can actually slide from one note to the next, okay? So essentially, when you're playing the note, you're going to be playing one note, and then you're going to slide to the next while holding your breathing and your embouchure, okay? Now, your notes need to be within the same partial of embouchure. What is the partial of embouchure? Well, basically, if I play, let me put the mouthpiece on. If I play in position 1 with my loosest embouchure, it's going to be a very low note. I can tighten up my embouchure, still in position 1, and get a different note. So those are different partials. So basically, if I want to play a slide note, I need to make sure that I'm in the same embouchure position. I'll give you an example. I'm going to go from position 6 all the way to position 1 using my loosest embouchure. So we're going to start off with a really low note, just like this, okay? Okay, that all used the same partial, okay? So that all used the same embouchure, okay? Which is the first partial. The first partial is going to be your lowest embouchure. Those deep, deep notes, okay? Those low notes. Now, when you want to slide, which is the whole point of this video, you're going to keep playing, so keep going, but instead of stopping like I did, you're going to move the slider while you continue playing. It's going to sound something like this. Okay? Now, that's the basics of sliding on a trombone, but you can incorporate a little bit of style. So check out this. Check out this. That doesn't even make grammatical sense. Check this out. Listen to this. Okay, so you can slide, make different sounds depending on what note you're going to go with, and it even goes with higher notes as well. I can do it with a higher embouchure. Okay, and you can basically jump between notes as long as you know which notes you're working with. So even with my lowest embouchure, I can jump between, let's say, like position 3 and position 6, back and forth. Okay? Just like, or 6 and 3, 6 and 3, back and forth, just like this. That's how to slide on a trombone. It's literally that easy to do. And that's basically it. Beginner tutorial. If you like this video tutorial on the trombone and you appreciate it, hopefully you like the entertainment as well as the education. I'm a beginner myself, so don't be too critical on me. But if you like the video, I would really appreciate you showing it some love. So with that being said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.